Your next car could be the 2022 Jeep Compass. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Compass delivers refined sophistication, versatile SUV capability, the latest safety features, and an adventurous spirit. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, four-wheel drive, remote engine start, lane keeping assist. Show them your style in the Compass. Get behind the wheel and go.